afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Chalo, let's go ahead. Now we'll be going to question number 4. Okay. Now, Agrotech Limited issued 150 lakh 9% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 6%, redeemable at a premium of 5%. After 3 years, payable 50 on application, 44 on allotment. Record journal entries. Now, can I say here, you're issuing at discount
Yes, ma'am.
and redeeming at premium?
Yes, ma'am.
Means you're making double loss, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we'll be passing journal entries. You write in the book of Agrotech Limited. Journal. Now, so first what will happen? You will,
Receive money for application, ma'am.
yes. So bank account debit to 9%
9%.
9%
debenture
debentures application.
Application.
Okay. Now how many debentures?
15.
1 lakh 15.
1 lakh 50.
No, 1 crore 50 lakh.
1 crore 50 lakh.
Yeah, into
9%.
50, ma'am.
50 rupees. So how much is this?
75 crore, ma'am.
750. Can I say 7,500 lakhs?
Yes, ma'am.
75 crore. ma'am.
Yeah, so 75.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, what to do next?
Transfer to debenture, ma'am.
Debenture account.
To 9% debenture account. Okay, same 75 lakhs, 75 crores. So being okay. Now here the next entry is, can I say call for allotment?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
can I
ma'am.
say when you're issuing a discount, at the same time you should record for the loss on issue and loss on redemption. Both you should
Yes,
record
ma'am.
that time. So
Yes,
now
ma'am.
ma'am.
see how we will do. Debenture, 9% debenture,
Debit.
debenture, allotment,
Allotment.
account debit.
Debit.
Okay. Now, can I say discount will also get debited?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So to 9%
Debenture.
debenture account. Now, first, think and tell me, 9% debenture allotment should be debited with how much? Can I say 1 crore 50 lakhs into
45.
45 to 44?
44, ma'am.
44. Correct? So how much is this?
66 crore, ma'am.
66 crores. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
66
Now,
crore.
debenture account should be credited with 1.5 into 50.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So how much is this?
75.
75 crore.
75 crores. Correct, everybody? Now,
Yes.
can I say I have to even along with the discount, I have to also write the premium.
Loss on
Yes,
issue
ma'am.
of redemption.
Loss on.
So, debenture redemption premium account. Now, how much should I transfer to debenture redemption premium?
5%, ma'am.
5%, ma'am.
So
5
how,
rupees.
how to do?
1.5
1 lakh
into
or
5, ma'am.
50 lakhs into 5.
कितना आता है?
7.5.
Crores.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Correct. So the difference will now go to loss on issue of debenture account. So the difference is
16.5 crore.
am I clear? Any doubt?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now what is the next entry that we should do?
Receive amount, ma'am.
Now how much will I receive this time?
66 crores.
Very good.
Bank account. 9% debenture.
So done everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, let's go to question number 5.
5.
X Company Limited issued 10,014.
Can you 1 minute scroll up, ma'am?
X Company Limited issued 10,014% debenture of the nominal value 50 lakhs as follows. So there is a debenture whose nominal value is 50 lakhs. You have issued it to sundry persons for cash at 90% of the nominal value. So can I say what is this? You have issued for cash 90% nominal value means what?
Discount.
Discount at lump sum.
Very good. So can I say issued at lump sum and discount given?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. To a vendor for purchase of fixed asset worth 10 lakhs, 12 lakh 50,000 nominal value.
Consideration other than cash.
Yeah, consideration other than cash, and to bank as collateral security for loan.
Collateral
Yeah,
issue of debenture as collateral.
Yeah, like what we studied yesterday, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will pass entry in the books of now case A, you're issuing debentures at discount. So lump sum, right? So you will
Yes, ma'am.
receive money in bank to 14%
Debenture account.
debenture application account. Then what to do? Debenture application to debenture account. Now calculate amount for me, everybody.
22,50,000, ma'am.
92 lakh.
22, ma'am.
22 lakh 50,000. Any doubt till here?
No, ma'am.
Now, what is the next thing?
Allotment, ma'am.
No. This
Next case, ma'am.
Next case. Now, can I say how much is the worth of the asset?
10 lakh, ma'am.
10 lakh. And how much debentures are we issuing?
12 lakh 50,000.
12 lakh 50,000.
What does this mean? Issue of debentures at premium or discount?
Premium.
Premium.
Discount.
Premium or discount?
Premium, ma'am.
Premium, ma'am.
Why premium? How premium?
Discount, ma'am.
Why?
Because fixed asset worth is 10 lakh and we are issuing it 12 lakh 50,000. That's more than face value, ma'am.
Okay.
Face value is
Ma'am,
12
it's-
lakh 50,000 and we have received assets worth 10 lakh, less than face value.
Yes. I am, Adarsh, what you said, but you just missed out the point. I'm giving you worth something 12 lakh 50,000, but I'm receiving in return only 10 lakhs. The worth.
Understood, ma'am.
So loss ho gaya na?
Ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, what entry should I pass? Issue of shares for consideration other than cash. What is the first entry? Purchase of asset.
Fixed asset account debit to
To
vendor
vendor
account.
account.
Very good. Fixed asset account debit to vendor account. How much should I charge?
10 lakhs.
Very good. Okay. Then what will be my next entry?
Vendor account
Account
debit
debit to
Vendor account debit to
debentures account.
14%.
14% debentures account.
Vendor account to 14% debenture account, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, discount.
Yes.
Discount on issue.
Yes.
Yeah.
To 14% debenture account. Now vendor account will be 10 lakhs. Debenture account will be 12 lakh 50,000. So balance 2
2
lakh
lakh 50,000.
discount. Okay, next last one. The banker to a banker as a collateral security for loan, 12 lakh 50,000 nominal value. So what to do? Can I say by issuing debentures as collateral security, you have received the loan?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, first for loan, what entry should be passed?
Bank account
account
Bank
debit
account
to
debit
bank
to
loan.
To debit.
To loan account.
bank loan account.
Yes. How much?
10 lakh, ma'am.
10 lakh.
Very good. Now, can I say for you debenture is also going out?
Yes, ma'am.
So what should we do?
Two
Debenture
debentures.
will be credited.
Yes, ma'am.
To
Yes.
14% debenture account because debenture is going out, correct?
Yes.
And
Yes,
towards
ma'am.
this, we will debit an account called debenture suspense account. Because these debentures are not going to be used until we have not paid the loan. Clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are we going to question number 6? Question number 6, before we do, it was one of your exam questions asked for 4 marks. Okay? Now, HDC Limited issued 1 lakh 12% debenture of rupees 100 each at 94 on 1st January 2017. Under the terms of the issue, the debentures are redeemable at the end of 5 years from the date of issue. Calculate the amount of discount to be written off in each of the 5 years. What is the discount here that we are giving?
6, ma'am.
6, ma'am.
6 rupees per debenture.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So what are they asking us to find out?
Calculate how
How
we
much
write off for 5 years.
So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
think and tell me how much should I write off for each year?
6 divided by 5.
No, ma'am. 6 in.
Beta, it is 6 per debenture.
Ma'am.
Ha. The loss to be written off each year will be how much?
6,000, ma'am.
6,000, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
How did you do?
Ma'am,
the
1 lakh
totally
divided by 100 into 6, ma'am.
1 lakh.
Divide by
Why
100
will you divide it by 100?
Because
Because
1
the
lakh is the total number
total
of debentures,
amount, ma'am.
ma'am. Total
To
number
find
of them.
These are the number of debentures or amount of debentures?
amount of
Number of
debentures.
debentures.
Number of debentures.
Number of
How
debentures.
I amount? If they would have,
Amount,
it was
ma'am.
amount, they would have given rupees 1 lakh debentures.
Okay, ma'am.
Acha, so this is number of debentures
Yes, ma'am. Into
ma'am.
6, ma'am.
into
6.
6. Very
6
good.
lakh.
So total loss is 6 lakh.
Yes, ma'am.
To be written off in
5 years.
5 years.
so per year will be.
1 lakh
1 lakh 20,000.
You just had to write this much and come.
Oh.
You will get 4
For this, 4 marks, ma'am.
Yeah. I swear I'm not cheating. You can check if you want previous year question paper. I'll show you exactly how it neatly if you write and come 4 marks. And there are students who have left this question and come because they said, ma'am, humko nahi pata kaise karna. So total loss on issue equals 1 lakh debenture into rupees 6. That is 6 lakhs. To be written off in 5 years. Therefore, loss to be written off each year will be 6 lakhs divided by 5, 1 lakh 20. And then people tell CA is difficult.
They should give this sum for 10 marks, ma'am.
Chalo, question number 7. Now, question number 7, good question. HDC Limited issued 2 lakh 12% debenture of rupees 10 each at 9.4 on 1st January. Under the terms of the issue, 1/5 of the debentures are annually redeemable by drawings for the first redemption occurring on 31st December 2010. So can I say every year you're redeeming 1/5?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
much in how much time you will be able to redeem the entire debentures?
5 years, ma'am.
5 years, because every year 1/5, no? So
Yes,
5
ma'am.
years you will be able to finish redeeming. Calculate the amount of discount to be written off from 2010 to 2014. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 5 years. Am I clear? Now see, do you understand how is this question different from the previous question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
how is
ma'am.
it different?
Ma'am, here we should be
We'll
calculating
only
the
return
amount
of
of
discount.
discount, ma'am.
Yeah, can I say here the
Here we'll-
debentures are getting written off every year, means
Yes, ma'am.
some amount you're paying off debentures every year.
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, the outstanding debenture will change every year.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So we
ma'am.
have to do some calculation. Okay, now I'll teach you how to do. Now, calculation of amount of discount to be written off. Each year. Okay, now first, so what are the year end? 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014. Now you have to calculate debentures outstanding before redemption. Now how much is your total debenture value?
2 lakh.
2 lakh.
debenture.
No?
20
No,
lakhs.
ma'am. 2 lakh into
20
10, 20 lakh.
Yes. Can I say 20 lakhs? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
1/5 means how much per year?
4 lakh, ma'am.
4 lakhs.
4 lakh.
4 lakhs. Very good. Now here, think and tell me, at the end of 2010, debenture outstanding before redemption will be how much?
Before redemption, ma'am.
Huh.
20 lakh.
20 lakhs.
Very good. At the end of 2011, how much will be the debenture outstanding before redemption?
16
16
lakh.
lakh.
16 lakhs.
Good. Next year,
12 lakh.
12 lakhs.
12
12 lakh.
then,
8
8.
lakh.
8 lakh.
and last year
4.
will be
4 lakh, ma'am.
4
lakh.
lakh.
Can I say, see, now before redemption, so after redemption will become 0 at the end of 5th year. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now find ratio of all this. So 4 ones are, 4 twos are, 4 threes are, 4 fours are, 4 fives are. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Now,
Yes.
now total loss equals how much? Can I say it will be 2 lakh debentures into 60 paisa?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
कितना आता है?
1 lakh 20, ma'am.
1,20,000.
1,20,000. This is the total
1,20,000.
loss. Now
Yes,
this
ma'am.
total loss should be written off in this ratio.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so amount of loss to be written off. Now, how will we do here? Can I say it will be 1,20,000 into 5 divided by
15.
15?
15?
Yeah, 15.
So
15,
this
ma'am.
is
40,000.
40,000.
40,000. Chalo, I find for all the years now.
32,000. ma'am.
32,000.
Okay.
24,000.
Okay.
24.
16,000.
This should be 8.
8,000.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो. Done, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, I'm done.
Chalo, let's go to question number 8.
8.
A company issued 12% debentures of the face value 10 lakhs. Now, this 10 lakh is amount or number of debentures?
Amount.
Number of debentures, ma'am.
No, amount.
Yes, ma'am, amount. Because
At
they give face
10%
value.
discount on 1st January 2017. Debenture interest after deducting tax at source at 10% was payable on 30th June and 31st December every year. All debentures are to be redeemed after expiry of period of 5 years at a premium of 5%. Past journal entries for the year 2017. Now, can I say one? You're issuing debentures. Now, this issue is happening at discount and redeemable at premium.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that entry we have to pass. Okay. Then what is happening? Can I say they are asking you to account for interest on debenture payable on 30th June and 30th December after accounting for TDS?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, do you know what is TDS?
Tax
ma'am.
deducted. It's
Tax.
Acha, what is TDS? Acha, I don't want full form. What is this?
Tax deducted at source.
I know the full form, beta. I'm asking you, what is this?
when we make some investment, ma'am, it is an income. We get incomes from it, no, ma'am, from that particular investment, and out of that income, they deduct certain proportion of amount as tax.
It is like an income tax, ma'am.
It is like a income tax. I'll give you one very easy example. Let's say Advait is paying me every month salary. Okay?
Ma'am,
Huh?
tax TDS means like we will collect tax on the dividends or asset sales, no, ma'am?
Huh?
That's all I know, ma'am. Tax TDS.
Okay. Now I'll give you one example. Let's say Advait is paying me salary. Okay. Now let's take a figure. Let's say they are paying me rupees 1 lakh per month. Okay. Now, if they pay me 1 lakh, can I say this comes to me directly? And at the end of the year, I should file my return.
Yes,
In that, I will disclose my income and I will pay taxes. But so what was happening? Some people were, not paying taxes and all this was happening. So government, instead of putting the burden on paying the tax on me, they put it on Advait. Okay, so what did the government say? That when Advait is paying Nehal 1 lakh rupees, so of that 1 lakh, 10% or 10,000, they should pay to government, and balance 90,000 they should pay to Nehal. Now, this 10,000 is not Advait tax. This is Nehal's tax paid on behalf of Advait to the government. This is Nehal's tax paid to government by Advait. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This is called as TDS. Okay. So the same way, now let's link it here. So the debenture, on this debentures, can I say we have to pay interest?
Yes, ma'am.
This interest is the income for the debenture holder. So on this income, the debenture holder has to pay tax. So government has lifted the burden from debenture holder and they have given the burden to company. The company has to now deduct some tax and only the balance they will pay to the debenture holder. This will go to government. Am I clear?
Okay, explain once again, ma'am.
Okay, so what I'm saying is debenture, on the debenture, I have to, on the debenture, they will get interest. Who will get this interest? Debenture holder. This interest for the debenture holder is the income. On this income, they have to pay tax. Okay. Now this tax, normally it should have been paid by the debenture holder, but government has lifted the burden from debenture holder and put the burden on the company. Now the company has to pay the tax first. If the 100 rupees is the interest, first they will pay 10% tax to the government and only the balance 90 rupees will be going to the debenture holder. when the debenture holder gets this money, he's not liable to pay tax on this anymore. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Chalo, let's write answer now. So in the books of nothing is given, we'll write journal entry. Now, first what journal entry should I pass? Which date are we on? Can I?
1/1/17.
Yeah, on this date, what is happening first?
Issue of debentures, ma'am.
Issue of debenture, correct? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
so bank early, I will receive money. Now, how many debentures are we issuing? Can I say worth 10 lakh?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how much money will I get in bank? Full 10 lakhs?
No, ma'am. 9 lakh, 10% discount.
Yes, so 10
discount.
lakh minus 10%. So I will be getting 9 lakhs. Okay. Now this should go to 12% debenture account. Now how much should I transfer to debenture account?
10 lakh, ma'am.
Full 10 lakh, the face value. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now think and tell me, can I say there's a premium on redemption also?
Yes, ma'am.
So that we should account today. So to debenture
Redemption premium.
premium. Chalo, how much will this be?
50,000, ma'am.
How did you do?
Premium 5%.
So can I say 10 lakh into 5%?
Yes, ma'am.
50,000. And so the difference will be 1,50,000.
Yes, ma'am.
This will go to which account?
Issue of debenture. Loss on issue of debenture.
Loss on issue of debenture.
Very good. Loss on issue of debenture account. Okay. Now, then when is the next transaction? What will happen next?
Interest payable, ma'am.
On which date?
30th June.
30th June.
Very good. So on 30th June, I have to pay interest to the debenture holder.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, think and tell me how much interest should I pay?
10% on
Debenture, 12% on debenture value, ma'am, out of which 10% as tax.
No, you calculate the amount for me, bus.
1 lakh.
Huh?
1
It is
lakh, ma'am.
12% debenture.
1,20,000, ma'am.
1 lakh
1,20,000. Everybody, is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Why?
We have to deduct this loss also, ma'am.
नहीं बेटा वो बाद में वो तो लॉस बाद में.
Oh, ठीक है.
6 months.
1,08,000, ma'am.
6 months.
Oh,
Arey, we are paying debenture interest in
yes.
6 months.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 60,000, ma'am.
60,000. Now debenture interest is an income or an expense?
Expense.
So expense debit or credit?
Debit, ma'am.
Debit.
So you will debit debenture interest account. So this will be 10 lakhs into 12% into 6/12. Okay. So this will be how much? 60,000.
60,000.
Now of this, how much should I pay to the government?
10%, ma'am.
10%.
So that is,
6,000.
so you will write payable, no? So payable
Yes.
means credit.
To
So
interest.
to TDS account 6,000. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And the balance whom should I give?
To debenture holder.
Debenture
Very good.
holder.
Debenture holder account 54,000. Clear everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now can I say this is a payable entry? Now
Yes,
we
ma'am.
should pay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So for you, how much money will go out?
To bank.
54,000.
50.
54,000 or 60,000?
54,000.
54,000, ma'am.
60,000, because that 6,000 also I have to pay to the government. It's not the money that I will keep with me. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So TDS account debit 6,000 and 54,000 you will pay to the respective debenture holders. Any doubt till here?
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
Now, after this, when is the next transaction?
December 31st.
December 31st. What will happen?
Same, I mean, we should pay them the interest
And?
payable, then deduct TDS.
Now, again, on that day, how much interest will you pay?
Interest 60,000, ma'am.
60,000.
Again, same 60,000? Are you sure?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
54,000, ma'am.
To whom?
Debenture holders 54 and TDS 6,000, ma'am.
That's what, 60 only, no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. So can I say same entry you will pass here?
Yes,
Copy
ma'am.
paste? Same these two entry?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo copy paste ಮಾಡಿ.
We'll write same entry, no, ma'am.
No.
Same entry as above.
No. Hey, why am I writing? You write? You write both the same entries again?
Yes, ma'am. We'll write, ma'am.
Girlfriend is calling.
For girl, how girlfriend will be calling, ma'am?
Hey. Once you're done, you will tell me.
Done, ma'am.
Did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, after this,
1
what?
minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you please scroll down? Scroll up.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, after this, what entry should you pass next?
Till
Is
5
that-
years same entry, ma'am.
Till 5 years.
What?
5 years after expiry of 5 years.
What?
What, ma'am?
That's it. Any other entries remaining?
No, ma'am.
No. Very good. Chalo, that's it. Shall I go ahead?
Yes, ma'am. Question number 9.
No, ma'am. We have to transfer it to debenture account, ma'am.
What debenture account you should transfer?
Redeem, ma'am. Redemption.
They have not told redeemable every year.
But they written redeemed after expiry of 5 year period.
After 5
Ma'am, we
years,
have to
ma'am.
transfer the profits.
Which profit, beta?
Mm,
Why 9 lakh, ma'am?
What 9 lakh? 9 lakh is the amount that I have received. It's not the profit. Can I say there is a loss on issue?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, loss. This can I say every year you should write off 1/5 to P&L?
Yes, ma'am.
That's what we studied here. See, this loss to be written off each year 1,20,000. So the same way in this question, can I say you should find 1/5 of the loss
Yes, ma'am.
and that you should write off to P&L every year?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Now also, can I say debenture interest is a nominal account?
Yes, ma'am.
That also should be closed and transferred to P&L?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now think and tell me how much loss should I write off in the current year?
In the current year, 1,20,000, ma'am.
1 lakh?
No. Wait.
पूरा तो 150 है, तो 120 लिख देगा तो
Wait. 1,50,000 इधर
30,000.
30,000. Now, can I say loss on
30.
issue of debenture was debited?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
writing off, so you should debit or credit?
Credit.
Credit.
So you will write to loss on issue of debenture account. So that will be 1,50,000 into 1 by 5. That will
Ma'am, we
be
should assume 1 by 5, ma'am.
But how, am I assuming 1 by 5?
No, they have given 5 years, ma'am.
Yes. Now also can I say debenture interest you should transfer to PNL? So debenture
ma'am.
interest you had debited. So now when you're transferring to PNL you will credit. So that is total was 1,20,000.
20,000.
And this you will be transferring to PNL
PNL.
account. In this question, if you wouldn't have passed this entry, you wouldn't be getting half the marks. This is the most important entry.
This is how much marks, ma'am? Ma'am, how much marks, ma'am? This was
Total question.
total question.
Maybe 5 marks. Debenture interest and loss on issue of debenture.
Ma'am, usually CA foundation is written after 12th, no, ma'am. That's the rule, no, ma'am.
Chalo, let's go ahead. Question number 9. Whatever Chemicals Limited issued 20 lakh 10% debenture of rupees 50 each at a premium of 10%. Payable as 20 on application and balance on allotment. Debentures are redeemable at par after 6 years. All the money due on allotment was called up and received. Record necessary entry when premium money is included in allotment money. Now this is a premium question. So let's write. Chalo. Now first what entry?
Bank account debit
Bank
to
account debit to
debenture application account.
Debit to 10% debenture application account. So how much will this be?
4 crore, ma'am. 20 lakh into 2. 20
20 not 50. No, sorry, 20. Yeah.
application, ma'am.
4 crore.
Then I will transfer it to
Debenture.
debenture account. Then what should we do?
Call for
allotment.
Allotment.
Yes. So 10% debenture allotment account debit to
10% debenture to premium on
very good to securities premium.
premium.
Now calculate amount. Here it will be, can I say 20 lakhs into
35. Sorry, here it will be 30, ma'am.
20 lakhs into 25.
20 lakhs into 30, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And here it will be 20 lakhs into
5.
Premium 10, half, 5. And here will be 20 lakhs into 35. 2 5 are 10. So this will be 1 crore, 6 crore,
6 crore,
and 7.
7 crore.
Then last May you will receive money in bank. Seven crores. Clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, let's go to question number 10.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Can you scroll up, ma'am?
On 1st April 2017, Sheru Limited issued 1 lakh 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 5% redeemable on 31st March 2022. Issue was oversubscribed by 2,000 debentures who were refunded their money. So now can I say this is oversubscription happening?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Issued at
ma'am.
discount and oversubscription. Okay. Interest payable annually on 31st March. You are required to prepare first journal entries at the time of issue of debenture. Second, discount on issue of debenture account, interest account, and debenture holder account, assuming TDS is deducted at 10%. So first we'll do journal entries. Okay. Now first, what will happen?
Receive money, ma'am.
Yeah,
Receive money.
receive money. So bank account debit to
12%.
12% debenture application account. Now, how many debentures will I receive money for?
1 lakh, ma'am.
20,000.
1 lakh?
1 lakh.
1 lakh 20,000, ma'am.
Very good. 1 lakh
1 lakh 20,000, ma'am.
into
Into. Okay.
95, ma'am.
100, ma'am.
100, everybody.
95, ma'am.
95, ma'am.
Discount 95, ma'am.
95.
So कितना आता है?
1 crore 14 lakhs, ma'am.
1 crore 14.
14 lakh.
1.14 crore कर दो.
Yes, ma'am.
11.4 million, ma'am.
Now, then I should pass entry debenture, nahi, or 12% debenture application account debit. Now, this will be 1.14 crore. Can I say there is a discount on issue?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will write discount on issue of debenture account debit Now, how much is the discount?
5 lakhs.
5 lakhs. To 12%
And debenture.
debenture account. How much?
1 crore
95 lakhs, ma'am.
95 lakhs?
ma'am.
No. Full 1 crore will
Yes,
go.
ma'am. 1 crore, 1 crore.
So is there a difference or it is tallying?
This is
That's the difference.
Difference.
Difference of how much?
19.
19 lakh, ma'am.
19 lakhs. So where should I transfer this?
Refund.
Very good. So this is bank.
To bank.
This is refunded.
Ma'am, shouldn't it be 6 lakh, ma'am, discount on issue of debentures?
I don't know, you calculated. It should
No,
be
ma'am, 1,20,000 into 5, ma'am.
why 1,20,000? Number of debentures I have issued is only 1 lakh. People oversubscribed for it.
Okay.
This should be 1 lakh into 5.
Yes,
Fine,
ma'am.
बराबर है.
Ma'am.
Chalo. Next, what do they want us to do? Can I say they want us to make 3 accounts?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's make the accounts, everybody. First, they are asking discount on issue of debenture account. Then they are asking interest account. And then they are asking debenture holder account. You can make about half a page for each account.
Half of page, ma'am.
Yeah. Hello, ready? Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Now.
Just a second, ma'am.
Yes, you can.
Yes, you can, ma'am.
Now the first entry that you passed was now. Can I say bank to 12% application?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Will it affect
ma'am.
any of these accounts?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Then you pass application discount on issue debenture bank. Will it affect any of these accounts?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Discount.
Count on issue.
Discount on
So
issue
can
of
I say
debentures.
5 lakh here?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
I will here. So discount on issue of account should be debited. So we'll also go and debit 5 lakhs, and we will write to what?
To debenture account.
To 12% debenture. Am I clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll need dates also.
You should write dates, ma'am.
We need it.
Mislead column, ma'am.
Now, this will happen on what date? Can I say 1st January?
Yes.
Sorry, 1st
First
April
April.
2017. Clear till
17.
here?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, then what is the next transaction we should do?
Provide interest, ma'am.
Provide for interest. So which interest account should be debited?
Yes, ma'am. Expense.
So expense should be debited on what date?
31st March.
1st March 18, ma'am.
31st March 18. Very good. So I will write here what?
To debenture holder.
To debenture holder account. How much?
Should calculate. Ma'am.
Mind you, there's TDS also.
Ten lakh 80,000, ma'am.
Keep these two entries in mind. So debenture interest account should be debited with how much?
1,20,000.
1
ma'am.
lakh 20,000.
1 lakh
20,000.
20,000.
1,20,000. Okay. Then here, what should I do in debenture holder account?
Account less 10%, ma'am.
So here, first I will give the opposite effect on 31st March 18.
Yes, ma'am.
I will write by interest account
Yes, ma'am.
to 1,20,000. Then I have to pay them, right? So on 31st March 2018, I will write by bank. Now how much will I pay them?
1,08,000, ma'am.
1,08,000. And the balance 12,000, where will it go?
TDS, ma'am.
TDS, ma'am.
Ma'am, debenture holder 2 bank, ma'am.
2 bank.
So you write to TDS. Correct, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt till here?
No, ma'am.
Now can I say year is over?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, ma'am.
Should I do anything else?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Wrong.
Ma'am.
What should I do?
Transfer to P&L, ma'am.
Yes. What should I transfer to P&L?
Interest,
interest and
the loss, discount on
loss
issue of debenture.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will write by P&L 1,20,000. Can I say this is done? And here in loss, how much should I transfer?
Loss 1 lakh. 1 lakh, ma'am.
1 lakh. Because 1/5, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you know it is 1/5?
Because 5 years, ma'am. And for
Redeemable on 31st March 2020. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 5 years. Okay. Now here on 31st March I will have buy balance carried down. So that will be 4 lakhs. Okay. This, can I say, account is tallied, and this account is also tallied by itself.
Yes.
Now next year, 1st April 2018, you write to balance brought down. It will be 4 lakhs. Then you should provide for interest on 31st March 2019 to debenture holder account. Same 1,20,000 again.
yes, ma'am.
Now then again on 31st March 2019, you will write by interest account 1,20,000, and then on 31st March 2019, you will write to bank. We will pay them only 1,08,000. Balance will go to
TDS.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now again at the year end, I will close. I will write by P&L account,
1 lakh.
and here on 31st March, who's making noise?
What, ma'am?
So then you will have balance carried down, which you will. Okay? Then again, can I say next year also all same transactions
Yes, ma'am.
with same amount? So let's finish it off. Now again, on next year, we will have
Ma'am, in discount of issue of debenture, it's not matching, ma'am, debit and credit.
1 second. Chalo, last year. So 31st March 2022, when we have to redeem, your balance is closed. Finish it off. Once you are done, you will let me know.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Others, everybody is done?
Wait, ma'am. 1 minute, wait, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. I'm assuming everybody is done.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we go to the last question in case of debenture? Question number 11. Okay. Suvidha Limited purchased machinery worth 1,98,000 from Hemant Limited. Payment was to be made by issue of 12% debenture of rupees 100 each. Pass necessary journal entries for the purchase of machinery and issue of debentures when debentures are issued at par, debentures are issued at 10% discount, debentures are issued at premium of 10%. So let's write in the books of whose books we should pass entry?
Suvidha Limited, ma'am.
Suvidha Limited.
Yes, Suvidha Limited. Journal entries. Okay, now first can I say you're purchasing machinery?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Journal entry will be
Machinery account debit to
Vendor account to Hemant.
Hemant account.
machinery account debit to Hemant account. So how much is this?
1,98,000, ma'am.
198. Now we have to pass the second entry, correct? Now the
Yes,
second
ma'am.
entry is issue of debentures. This is issue of debentures for consideration other than cash. Now we have three scenarios. If you're issuing debentures at par, premium or discount. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now first one, issue at par. So how many debentures will I have to issue then?
1,980, ma'am.
1,980 debentures, correct?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it will be, journal entry will be what?
Hemant account debit to 12%
12%
debenture.
debentures account.
Very good. Hemant account debit to 12% debenture account. So that will be 1,98,000. So you will write 1980 debentures issued at 100 per debenture. Any doubt till here?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
No. Now what?
No,
What is the second case they are asking?
Discount, ma'am.
Issued at 10%
Discount.
discount. Now in this case, can I say I need 1,98,000 debentures?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Sorry, the amount total I need. How many debentures? How much is the value per debenture that I'm going to issue?
100.
95.
100.
95, ma'am.
95.
100, ma'am.
95, ma'am.
90,
Eight
ma'am.
seconds. Pawan, how is it 95? 10%.
Issuing a discount, ma'am. 90, ma'am.
90, ma'am. 90.
So it's not 95. That much is clear?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So can I say issue price is 90?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
how many debentures should I issue?
2,200.
2,200.
2,200. Am I clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
the rule is you always divide it by the issue price. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So your journal entry will be Hemant account debit. Now Hemant will be debited with 198 itself to
12% debenture.
12% debenture account. That will be 220,000. The difference is how much?
22,000, ma'am.
22,000.
This will be charged to?
Discount.
Discount on issue.
Very good. Discount on issue of debenture. So last scenario. Third one is issue at
Premium.
10% premium. So now here let's calculate. It will be 1,98,000 divided by
110.
110.
1,800 shares, ma'am. Debentures.
So journal entry will be Hemant account debit
Debit. To 12% debenture to securities premium.
yes to 12% debenture account
1,80,000, ma'am.
1,80,000 to securities
Premium.
18,000, ma'am.
ठीक है any doubt
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
chalo with this we have completed company accounts okay
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.